Hello everyone, this is Veenu Rehan from Unique Zone Real Estate, and today I'm here at Reportage office with Priyanka. I have been working with Priyanka for a very long time when it comes to Reportage. So Priyanka, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so
Your
much.
office has moved from Business Bay to the actual site of Dubai Investment Park. So I would like to know for myself and for my clients about entire community of Vardhana.
Done. Let's start. My name is Priyanka. I'm with Reportage. This entire land parcel is called Vardhana. Now, as a developer, we have done it in master communities. Rather than creating a whole land parcel of huge townhouses, we did master communities. So at the time of resale, and the construction timelines are different for each cluster.
Absolutely.
We started with Vardhana 1, which is right around over here.
Okay.
When we launched Vardhana 1, this was at only 4-bedroom townhouses. There were no 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. And we had a residential tower of 10 floors.
Correct.
After that, we launched Vardhana 2, right around here. And Vardhana 1, the construction is at 80%. Vardhana 2, the construction is at 30%. Then we have Vardhana 3 over here with a handover of Q4 2027.
Okay.
Then comes Vardhana 4, which is right opposite Greens community and very close to Nibris International School.
Okay.
Side by side, there's Greens community right over here in this entire land parcel, and it's very close to the Red Line Metro.
All right.
So DIP as an area has 7 international schools, 2 hospitals, 2 clinics. We are also having surrounding our projects, we're having multiple schools, retail, and side by side, with the connectivity, we have 4 major highways. So we have E311,
Yes.
D54 over here,
Yeah.
Expo Road, and you have Yellis Street.
Also, this community is, I guess, just 15 minutes away from the new airport.
Correct.
Maktoum International Airport.
And Expo, the next land parcel, is going to host GITEX from next year, right?
Alright.
You have Bharat Mart also coming in towards the Jablali area.
Yes.
So meaning to say there's going to be a lot of job opportunities.
Yes.
People would want to shift towards this site,
Absolutely.
right? Airport is operational from 2030 to 2033.
We all know about it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And with the airport coming in, it's not just people looking for area to maybe Airbnb.
Absolutely.
Right?
Airbnb is the talk of the town.
Yeah.
I think each and investor is looking at 8 to 10% minimum return on their investment.
Definitely.
And also one more thing, I guess you are launching a new phase very soon.
Yes, we are.
So we would want to know more about the new phase.
Sure. So with all these launches that we have done from Vardhana 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, we launched Vardhana 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, which are, almost sold out. And we're going to launch these new cluster of townhouses and apartments wherein, there's a school over here, by the way.
Oh, fantastic.
A school here, and this is Shion Business Park. So meaning to say people, who are working here, obviously they would want to live somewhere close by.
Of
And
course.
with the high rentals,
Yes.
people are wanting to own their own property,
Absolutely.
right? Now, Reportage makes it possible with 7 different payment plans.
This is very, very important thing, and I want this to be highlighted to all my clients, because I know you are the only developer who is like 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, and the kind of discounts Reportage is offering, no other developer is offering. So if you could just highlight more about that.
Yeah. So there's a reason why we are offering these discounts. We are actually not taking any construction loan from the bank. Rather than going to a third-party bank institution, we are incentivizing clients with these discounts, right?
Okay.
Now, we offer even 0% down payment, which I know is like, I don't think any other developer is offering, right?
No other developer. So I want to know, in these complex, you have studio, 1 bed and 2 bed.
beds.
And in the new launch, you are coming up primarily with 4-bedroom townhouses.
3 and 4 bedroom
3 and 4 bedroom.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
and the floor plan is coming with the provision of lift as well.
It's coming with the provision of an elevator. Side by side, you will not believe the prices. The prices of a 4-bedroom townhouse for a cash
for
buyer.
a cash buyer.
It's like 1 bedroom. Let's be honest, right?
Of course.
You know the prices of 1 bedroom in today's market.
Absolutely,
You're
absolutely.
looking at nothing less than 1.2 to 1.3 million.
Absolutely.
Here you're getting a 4-bedroom townhouse for 1.3 to 1.4 million on cash.
With full cash price.
With full cash price.
Okay.
But we also have options where you start with, let's say, a 10% down payment and a 1% monthly payment plan.
All right.
I have clients who are looking at flipping, right?
Yes, of course.
So in that case,
All
we're
across
offering...
investors are looking for capital growth on their product. And also one more question. My clients would want to see how the townhouse looks from inside. Do you have any show townhouse which we can take a tour for my clients?
We can. Let's go.
Let's
Yeah.
go. Okay.
To get more details about this townhouse and a property insight about the Dubai market, I think the right person would be Veenuji. She's experienced, she's in the market for 12 plus years, and she is a powerful woman. That's all I can
Thank
say.
you so much, Priyanka, and to all our clients, to all our friends who are sitting all across the world and looking at this YouTube video. Please do get in touch with me, as the new phase of Vardhana is getting released very soon. I think just 10 days from now, and I am sure Vardhana is gonna come up and Reportage is gonna come up with brilliant offers
Exactly.
in Ramadan. So I am sure आपको miss नहीं करना.
Something exclusive, something good, and something which ma'am will help you out with.
So please
Yeah.
contact us on the below given mentioned email ID and contact number. Thank you all so much.